It's a chilly autumn evening in medieval England. The leaves are turning, the air's crisp, and the whole place smells surprisingly spicy. Cinnamon, nutmeg, pepper, cloves. Today we toss these into our lattes and pies without a second thought. But back then, these spices were pure gold, literally. So why did medieval people go absolutely wild for spices, especially in autumn? Well, first, let's talk status. If you had a table full of cinnamon and nutmeg, you weren't just serving dinner, you were showing off. These spices traveled thousands of miles, crossing deserts and seas, passing through the hands of traders, pirates, and kings. Only the rich could afford them. Symbols of wealth everywhere. Luxury you could taste. So, sprinkling a bit of pepper on your stew was like parking a Ferrari outside your castle. But there's more. Medieval folks believed spices were medicine. Autumn was the season of sniffles, colds, and all sorts of mysterious humors floating around. Spices, especially the warming ones, were thought to balance your body, keep you healthy, and ward off disease. They called them warming. Prescriptions were pinches, not pills. Cloves for toothaches, nutmeg for digestion, cinnamon for colds. You name it, there was a spice for it. And here's where it gets even more interesting. Magic. People genuinely believed spices had mystical powers. They'd sprinkle them in wine or bake them into special breads for autumn festivals. Autumn nights stretched on, hoping to protect their homes from evil spirits as the nights grew longer. Imagine believing your pumpkin spice bread could literally keep the goblins away. Now, autumn was also the time for feasts. Big, loud, messy affairs. Spices transformed bland, preserved food into something worth celebrating. Picture salted meat, and old bread suddenly bursting with flavor. It was a sensory explosion, and it turned a simple meal into a memorable event. But here's the twist. It wasn't just about taste. Spices were woven into the fabric of society, status, health, even superstition. They brought the world to your table, connected you to far-off lands, and made the changing of the seasons feel magical. So next time you sprinkle cinnamon on your porridge, remember, you're not just adding flavor. You're tapping into a centuries-old tradition where every pinch meant power, protection, and a little bit of wonder. Thanks for watching.